This is my first time attending the EAST Scientific Assembly. I've actually been meaning to attend for the last 3 years. I've been a member for 3 years, but things just didn't quite work out for me to attend. I'm excited to be here and be part of all the network opportunities, the scientific sessions, and the academic things. What do I like most is probably getting to meet the people that I've worked so closely on the committees with. For example, the two people that I worked really closely on a project with over the last 3 years, I finally had a chance to meet them for the first time in person, which was really a great experience. I absolutely would recommend it to anybody in trauma, not just surgeons. I think it's a great place for emergency physicians, trauma surgeons, APPs, nurses, and anybody else that does work in trauma.